Hello friends, this is Yogesh Dharmadhikari and I am on a mission to transform 1 million professionals from mediocrity to power-packed personality. Today I'm going to talk about 5 signs which will show you that you are living a mediocre life. You are suffering from mediocrity. So what are those signs? Before going to the signs, let's understand what is mediocrity. Mediocrity means living an average life. So whatever you do as an average person. Means you are not utilizing your full potential. So when you don't utilize your full potential, you will not take your actions, full capable actions, full actions, massive actions, and you will not get the desired results. So first you should know what is your full potential, what is your current potential and how much you can do. Everybody has more potential to deliver, but people don't go out of comfort zone. People don't take actions. They know they have to take actions, but they are satisfied with whatever is happening in their life. Today, whatever I'm doing, I think is good enough for me. Why I should go to the next level is not required. I'm a happy person. What else I need? So this is how people think, how mediocre people think. So what are the signs? The first sign is your income is directly proportional to your time. Means you are trading time to earn the money, earn your salary, earn your income. So what is the meaning of that? For example, it can be a job, it can be a freelancer, it can be anybody who is working on hourly basis. In most of the corporate jobs, though it is not hourly basis, but it is at least monthly basis. People are getting the salary every month. And as you know, as per the policies of different companies, people have the paid leaves. So if somebody does not want to work on a particular day, he can opt for the paid leave. But if all the paid leaves are exhausted, then you will not get salary for that day. So you have to work every day to get your salary. So which means you are trading your time every day for your income or for your salary. Similarly, freelancers also get a project, they spend their time and then they get the payment. But if they don't work, they will not get a payment. But then how somebody can be paid on income without working? So there is no shortcut in life. Nobody will get anything on free, no lunch. There's no free lunch. You have to work. But then there are many solutions. You should have multiple sources of income. You should earn passive income. So work hard for or consistently for some years and later you get the passive income. Don't depend on only one income. Have multiple sources of income. You can also have a leverage income. What is leverage income? So when you trade time of other people, when you have only 8 hours in a day or 12 or 15 hours in a day max, you use other people, you outsource the work. It is similar to a corporate company using employees or any startup venture with 15, 20 people. So they are leveraging time of other people. So this is how leverage income works. You still earn and you don't have to spend a lot of time. You can spend it on maybe creative thinking or finding new ventures. So leverage income is also by trading time, but using time of other people. So first sign was trading time for money. If you are trading time for money, you are living a mediocre life. The second one, if you still have loans on your name, home loan, car loan, any other personal loan, then you are under pressure. and you are living a mediocre life. Number three, if you are in a corporate job and you have not been promoted since some years, say at least 3 years, and you are not getting the excellent or extraordinary ratings. Typically, some companies or most of the companies have 5 ratings. So average is successful, then excellent and extraordinary, outstanding. So if you are not in the 4 and 5, then you are a mediocre person. But some people are happy with the successful rating because they are getting their full salary or full increments. But if you are excellent and extraordinary, you will get additional. So this is how mediocre people think, and they just rely on average performance. They don't see any need to go to the next level. So that is how it is called lazy thinking or mediocre thinking. Point number 4, or sign number 4. You are living a mediocre life if you are not earning 1 crore a year every year and you are 40 plus years of age. So after working for so many years, if you are not earning 1 crore, it's a sign that you are living an average life. You are not living to your full potential and you don't have higher or bigger goals in your life. So some people may say, okay, I don't think money is the highest priority. Happiness is the priority for me. But then it's a fact, unless you have enough money, you can still be happy, but you cannot have fulfillment. You cannot meet your family requirements or the financial requirements. So money is the need of the day. And if you are satisfied with the low income or a medium income, then also you are an average person. You will not be then elite club of 5% people who are in millionaire or billionaire category. But first of all, you should think in that way. You should have high thinking, big picture, that you want to be a millionaire or billionaire, you want to have your own company, or you want to go to highest level in your organization. If you have those goals, then you will think creatively, think big picture, and then you can take massive actions. You learn new skills and perform at the level 5, which is extraordinary, outstanding. So then you'll not be an average person. The 5th, the last one, but not the least one, is if you don't fulfill in your current occupation, whether it's a job or a business or freelancing, if you think it is boring for you, you're not finding interest, then also you are living a mediocre life. So maybe after 20-25 years of experience, people think that it is not their cup of tea, but still they keep on doing because they're getting monthly salary. But is it really important to have a monthly salary, or it is important to have the fulfillment? You work around the things you love and also get the income. So you work around your passion, create business or work around your passion. So you will get the money also and you will be fulfilled. So these are the 5 signs. Number 1, trading time for money. Number 2, you should earn 1 crore plus if you are 40 years of age. Number 3, you should get promotion every 2 to 3 years. If you're not getting it, then you're living a mediocre life. Number 4, you still have loans on your name. Your liabilities are more than your assets. Then also you are an average person, mediocre, living a mediocre life. The last but not the least, you don't feel fulfilled in your current occupation. So everybody can become a high performing, a power pack person and can be transformed from mediocrity to working at his highest potential. So how? So before going to how, you should know who you want to become. First is self-awareness, self-mastery. Then you can find something of your interest and you can work around that thing. So if you want to be transformed into a high-performing person, then keep watching my videos, So I'm posting regularly my videos on YouTube. I'm posting articles and maybe motivating thoughts and creative thoughts on many social media channels like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. So keep watching my videos and stay tuned for my upcoming webinars.